Hi guys, so in today's video we will be reading our environment on tip notes. So all living organisms can be grouped into producers, consumers and decomposers on the basis of nutrition. Then producers are organisms which can make organic compound of their need from inorganic substances. These includes all green plants and certain bacteria. Consumers are organisms which depend on the producers directly or indirectly for their sustenance. Consumers can be classified into herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, and parasites. Decomposers are microorganisms which can break the dead remains and waste product of the organism, such as fungi and bacteria. Food chain. It is the sequence of living organisms in which one organism consumes the other organism for energy. It is unidirectional. Each step of or level of the food chain forms a trophic level. 10% law. There is only 10% flow of energy from one trophic level to the next trophic level. Due to this energy loss, only 4 or 5 trophic levels are present in each chain. It is known as 10% law. For example, grass, grasshopper, frogs, snake. Significance of food chain. It helps in understanding the food relation in interactions among various organisms in an ecosystem. It helps in flowing the basic mechanism of transfer of food energy and nutrients through various components of nature. It helps to understand the movement of toxic substance in an ecosystem and the problem of their biological magnification. Sample food chain. So we have grassland biome, that is, first we have producer grass, grasshopper, rat, snake, then hawk. Then we have algae, mosquito, dragonfly, fish, raccoon. Then we have phytoplankton, zooplankton, fish, seal, white shark. These are some of the example of food chains. Then we have the food webs. We have the producers at the bottom level: blossoms, nuts, bark, leaves, blossoms. These are the producers. Then we have the primary consumers. So we have bees, blossoms by bees. Then bear will consume the bees. Then nuts, they'll be consumed by deer. Deer will be consumed by wolf, and then the bear. Then bark oak, we have rabbit. Then we have wolf, then bear. Also in nuts we have mice, wolf, bear. In leaves you have insects, toad, skunk, red fox, wolf, bear. Blossoms, insects, birds, red fox, bear. Biological magnification. The concentration of harmful chemical increases with every next trophic level in a food chain. It is called biomagnification. As human beings occupy the top of any food chain, the maximum concentration of these chemicals get accumulated in human body. O3 is a molecule formed by 3 atoms of oxygen. NO2 light, NO plus O, O2 UV, O plus O, O plus O2, O3. Due to ozone layer depression, the ultraviolet rays reach the earth and cause certain ill effects which are harmful for us and crops. Exposure to UV rays can lead to greater incidence of skin cancer, cataracts, and damages the eye and human immune deficiency. 4 applications which releases chlorofluorocarbons: aerosol, air conditioner, refrigerators, coolant. Non-biodegradable substance. These are poisonous substances that either do not degrade or degrade very slowly in nature. They affect environment. They may enter the food chain and show biological magnification. They contaminate water and soil resources as they cannot be decomposed by microorganisms. The non-biodegradable waste have long-lasting effect and cause environmental problems that affect much. Some eco-friendly activities: garden and planting trees. Use of gunny bags, paper bags in place of polythene bags. Use of compost and vermicompost in place of fertilizer. Separation of biodegradable and non-biodegradable substance. Fostering compassion and respect to all living beings and the environment by educating youth. Then we have trophic levels. We have producers, primary consumers, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, and quaternary consumers. Then we have flow of energy in ecosystem. We have sunlight. From sunlight, energy is passed to producers, then to the herbivores, carnivores, and then top carnivores. So these were the on tips note for our environment chapter.